Square Fashions Limited, a concern of Square Group, is established in 2001 with modern production facilities. It has now 2 fabric units and 2 garments units. We are located 53 kilometers from Hazrat Shahjalal International Airport of Dhaka on a sprawling 52-acre area. We produce fashionable ready-made garments for men, women, and children by combining innovative ideas, beautiful colors, and latest designs. Since its establishment in 2001, Square Fashions Limited has been successfully meeting the diversified needs of global apparel imported by combining cutting-edge technologies with top-notch human expertise. We have a centrally air-conditioned building where around 14,000 workers are working to produce almost 140,000 pieces of ready-made garments per day. Square Knit Fabrics Limited and Square Multi Fabrics Limited was established as the second stage of our vertical integration. Both factories have been statistically designed to supply the fabric requirements of Square Fashions Limited. We have state-of-the-art technologies to produce a wide range of knit fabrics. The production facilities include yarn singeing, yarn mercerization, yarn dyeing, both in hards and package form, knitting, fabric singeing, fabric mercerization, fabric dyeing, and finishing. We use the most modern technology for yarn processing. We have a capacity to dye 12,000 kilograms of yarn per day. We can produce different knit structures such as semi and full jacquard, engineering stripe, double jersey, rib, and interlock and single jersey of diameter 22 inches to 40 inches. In the flat knitting section, there are 126 machines from CTO, Germany, and Shimaseki, Japan. Full jacquard, semi-jacquard collar, and cuff knitting machines are used to produce different structures and designs. We have a capacity to produce approximately 25,000 kilograms of gray fabric and 25,000 pieces of cuff and collar sets per day. Our dyeing unit is equipped with all modern machineries and technical experts with a wide range of experience in their respective fields. In Bangladesh, Square is the only house with facilities for tubular knit fabric mercerization. Besides producing single mercerized fabric, our machine from Donia can also produce double mercerized fabrics, and its added advantage of in-house yarn mercerization facilities. Depending on the requirement of buyers, we can produce the knit fabric in both tubular and open width form. As Square is catering for the world's top-notch customers, hence, with that expertise, it has initiated a design studio in 2012 with a group of professional designers. Our fashion designers and graphic designers team are continuously involved in analyzing the latest trends in the apparel industry. This effort culminates in the development of product collections for the potential and existing clients round the year. Our design team has extensive knowledge of the different fabrics and finishing technologies and are able to work directly with customers to suggest innovative and cost-effective solutions to various design challenges. Square Fashions also provide 3D technology implementation in sampling and development, where our customers can work side by side with our design team to experiment and develop samples. This reduces the cost and time required for product development. The manufacturing process of ready-made garments starts with computer-aided pattern designing, grading, and marker making. Each workstation is supported by digitizers, marker machines, pattern cutters, auto separator, laser-guided auto cutters, and many more. Our screen printing department and all-over printing department are unique combination of vision and knowledge. The average printing capacity is around 80,000 pieces of different garments. Square understand that investing in latest embroidery equipment is extremely important in the fashion business. Our washing facilities comprise of advanced machinery and are among the leaders in the garments washing industry of Bangladesh. We offer several washing treatment to meet the customer's satisfaction. Sewing is the most vital part of garments manufacturing. Our sewing section is comprised of latest generation Juki sewing machines with automatic thread framing and sucking devices. Currently, we have 140 sewing lines with highly skilled operators, systemized material handling system, and typically oil-free dry head machine. Our daily production capacity is around 120,000 pieces of garments. Our finishing section is well equipped, and all garments are physically checked by the quality controllers before packing. As a health and safety measure, we maintain a metal-free zone for our customers in the packing area. Square believes in sustainable development and give priority to preservation of nature and ecological balance. In our Beluga complex, huge quantity of biodegradable solid waste, non-biodegradable solid waste, and liquid waste having produced every day. We are managing the solid waste for producing organic fertilizer in organic fertilizer plant. Square has set up a state-of-the-art effluent treatment plant, ETP, in its diagnosis. We pioneer ETP in Bangladesh, the biological treatment of the wastewater discharges environmentally safe substances. In Beluga, we're trying to reduce dependency on underground water. We have established rainwater harvesting plant in our complex. We are also working to use our wash and surface water for gardening. Square also has a caustic soda recovery plant, CRP. A huge amount of caustic soda is used during mercerization. After the mercerization process is complete, the excess caustic soda is collected by the CRP plant for recycling. Square also uses a comprehensive energy conservation program, all recyclable energy, into our various systems. We are already ISO 9001, 2008, ISO 14001, 2004, and OEKO-TEX 100 certified. We are also certified by the Accord, Fairtrade, GOTS, and CMIA Superma. Companies under the umbrella of Square are designed to comply with the law of the land, ILO conventions, and the standards of SAR 8000, SEDUX, and BSCI. We are the first of kind in Bangladesh to provide accommodation facilities for our employees. We have 4 dormitories for our workforce and free residential buildings for management staffs. These facilities accommodate a significant percentage of our employees. We provide other facilities for our staff and workers, including life insurance, the All Staff and Workers Profit Sharing, Contributory Provident Fund, gratuity, leave fare assistance for all staff and workers, training for unskilled workers, maternity leave, and daycare center. We also provide free meals at work, free transportation, and 24-hour medical facility for our workers. All our facilities are also equipped with fire extinguishers and other firefighting equipments. We have a fire service station on location to deal with any emergency. Our code of conducts are no child labor, no forced labor, health and safety, no discrimination, disciplinary measures, wages and benefits, environmental awareness, and compliance with current legislation. Square is committed to satisfy and maintain customers' expectation by developing and providing products and other services on time, which offer value in terms of quality, price, safety, and environmental impact. Our goal is to become a one-stop shopping point for the high-end global knit apparel market and be a leader in the market itself to technological excellence and quality assurance.